Just a recap of what's happening from down under with the RBA and the Australian dollar. We basically got the expected 25 basis point cut yesterday on Tuesday, taking the RBA rate from 1.75 to about 1.5, which if you actually look at the backdrop from a global central bank perspective is actually still very well elevated. Currently now the market's expecting further cut towards the back end, November, December of this year, where you're seeing probabilities currently around the 41 kind of percent level. Now it was interesting, we were trading at about 95, 40 cents going into the decision. We had a knee-jerk reaction sell-off to about 94.91, moved back up to 75 cents. And if you're a client in the Asia Pacific region, you spoke to me yesterday, I was basically advocating that we'd see a very, very easy pop back up to 76 cents, which we did. We hit a high of 76, about 36 yesterday, Tuesday. This morning, we're kind of hovering around, that 76 level, a little bit lower. But I actually think over the next few weeks, on the backdrop of expected US dollar weakness, that we are going to see a much stronger Aussie dollar, and I think we'll easily get back well over 76 and into that kind of 77, potentially even above 78 zone over the next kind of few weeks, as again, it's a relative kind of game out there. And with the September meeting for the Fed being over 7 weeks ahead, people are going to go towards yield, and the Australian dollar is going to be a huge beneficiary of that. Lastly, on the statement that came out from the RBA, a lot of people were looking for some kind of dovish outlook or, wording, and there was really none. It was actually kind of neutral at best if you just kind of follow the statement. Obviously, this Friday, key risk events being U.S. non-farm payrolls could move the dollar in either direction, even though I think there is a bias towards the dollar being weaker. So, i.e., there's a bigger implication from a miss than, let's say, from a hit. And at the same time, also, the RBA will be releasing their quarterly monetary policy outlook on Friday, which can be a big mover potentially, so watch out for that.